All right, so this is a room tour of a duo studio. This is 8361 at the Island Tower at the Polynesian Villas and Bungalows at Walt Disney World. All right, so when you first walk in, to your left are two very large mirrors with built-in lighting, which is actually beautiful. It's very nice. And this is a sink out here. So you have your towels, soap, tissues, some washcloths, and the sink. And they do provide you the hand soap and body lotion. Down here there is a hair dryer and a wastebasket. So this is just a nice large area to get ready, brush your teeth, put on your makeup, someone can be doing their hair. And then when you come in to the right is a separate room with the toilet and the shower. So this room is really only intended for 2 people and then maybe a baby or a small child, but it's really intended for only 2 people. Next to where you would get ready, this is 2 sliding doors. They're a little bit heavy, but they're nice. This is where you have the safe, your iron, hang all your clothes. There's extra pillow and blankets. And we'll open the other side so you can see. The pillow and blanket, again, there at the top, the ironing board, laundry basket, and the little shelf to hang your luggage if you wanted to, but really large space for hanging your clothes. Next to that is a large TV and a lot of space up here for putting all your things. It doesn't look like there's any outlets up there. There are 2 outlets here next to what I would call the dresser. But a lot of space on the top, and it looks like there's 6 drawers here. We didn't test them, but I can see if pretty sure they all open. Yeah. So you do have 6 drawers there, so a lot of storage space. Next, over here is like a little kitchenette. So you have your microwave, you have your beverage fridge, there is a Keurig with pods. Everything is real here, meaning it's not plastic. So these utensils are real. Up here, there are bowls and mugs and plates and cups. That looks like for the ice machine. Nothing up there. And it does look like there's a toaster as well. So everything is real. I guess you would just leave it out for them to take and wash because there's not like a dishwasher. They do give you hand soap, and I guess you could wash the dishes yourself in the sink. Paper towels. I'll give you a better look at the beverage cooler, which is tucked away here. And then they do have garbage and recycling, which is tucked away, which is nice. So they have everything really hidden, which gives you a lot of space and makes everything seem big, even in this small space. And there's a lot of storage under here too. Very nice. There is a large mirror, full length, so you can check your Disney outfit for the morning before heading out to the parks. And then as you can see, this room only has a couch. There is no bed because it is a Murphy style bed. So we're gonna move this out of the way. Mike's gonna help us. Like I said, this room is really made for 2 adults, maximum. And the theme here is Moana. So that came down pretty easily. That's really nice. And I think if I look over there, are those outlets on the side there?
Yeah, you got outlets, USB, USB-C, and then...
Ooh, very nice.
Yeah, so you do have outlets.
Just on that side though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just on the one side.
You know what, here's more here.
Okay, nice. So there are more outlets over there. You can leave your phone charging. And I actually have seen people butt this up to there. I guess maybe if you had a small child with you, they could sleep there. I'm not really sure. Or just, you know, if you wanted to have the bed pulled down or leave it pulled down, you still have a space to sit and everything. So I have seen videos of people doing that. And of course we have our hidden Mickey towel. And now, so we have a standard or resort view room. We are on the 3rd floor, so we do have a balcony. And if you're lucky, when we go outside, we'll be able to see the monorail going by. So this is nice, 2 big chairs and a table. This is a pretty big space. Oh, there we go. We wound up being lucky. There's the monorail.
It's empty.
It's an empty monorail. You can see in the distance people playing golf, and there's still definitely some construction going on, but it's beautiful. I think for 2 people, it's plenty of space. We'll have to see how we handle the Murphy bed. If we're gonna put it up every morning, if we're gonna leave it down. But even with it down, I still feel like there's a lot of space.
Looking at it, I think we could probably get away with leaving it down.
Yeah.
It's only 2 of us.
Yep.
And we don't have a ton of luggage, so I think it would be possible. But it's an easy way you just flip it up if you don't want it down too. So
yeah, and
can't lose either way.
It is nice you have that place to sit, and you can move that ottoman around. So everyone would be able to sit if you didn't want to sit on the bed.
Yeah.
But
this room's great.
yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
It's really cool. Awesome. Well, thank you for watching our room tour, and let us know if you decide to stay at Island Tower.